Ka sorkar Meghalaya hakaski thok dieng kalarai bantau da ka komiti halor ka roster system bat lapan benaru balapan sange shwa ya baroh ki jingthungkam thamai tat hadu balala ban penbet ya ka roster ne ka jing penbet rinti ya ka jingthungkam thungjam. Ka sorkar kala shem ya kani karai hadien ka jelang all party meeting ka bapenya da umentri rangba Konrad ki sangma ka balong ha secretariat. Ha kani ka jelang lawan ya chimenta da ki nong yalam jong baroh ki seng sain pyrthei ki badan ha kalyang sensyar bat liang persya. Ha kani ka jelang ka kenhun kalyang persya ka Voice of the People Party VPP bat ka seng khun nyutrap National Awakening Movement KHNAM kilami na ka jelang hadien ba ka sorkar kala phiel ban iakren ne khmi biang iaka state reservation policy. Habakran hadien balawai ka jelang u menteri rangba ka jilla u Konrad ke sangma u laong ba ka sorkar kala thau ye kani ka komiti hadien ba ki seng sain pyrthei kila ai jingmut khnang ban lum jingtip ka babanya ban ai ka jingshai bat bakin la ban ai jingmut ya ki ki berangsa ha ka jing artatien halor ka roster system. Ya kani ka komiti en khli da ka kong ampari ningdo menteri ka kot ka khia laong u menteri rangba ye ki kendon trikam ka komiti en sa penmi mardor bat shen ka komiti ru kan shong ya ka jingalang.
Most of the political parties who are present here right now on the dais with me have seen the presentation and are satisfied seeing what the details are, and concerns have been raised and some clarifications have been sought, and hence we have decided that in order to ensure that all the different concerns that are there are clarified, and hence a committee is proposed to be set up, which will be chaired by our Honorable Health Minister, Kong Ampering, and different members from different political parties will be in it, so that we can allow them to seek clarification and give further suggestions on how they propose that or they suggest that we should move forward. Apart from that, certain clarifications have been sought. We have clarified most of the points. Certain clarifications like whether in education sector this particular system will apply or not. So we have clarified that the roster is meant for direct recruitment only, and hence it is not meant to be implemented for education purpose, in the sense for the different seats that are there in different education institutions across the country. So on and so forth. There were many other points that were raised, and we have given a complete clarification on that. We have also in the presentation explained to the different political parties that the appointments that have been made from the past, those appointments from 1972 onwards have been done, and we have put them as far as possible from different inputs that we received. We have put them and plotted them. And this data has now allowed us to understand the sequence in which we are now today to continue with the roster. I would like to clarify here today also that all the appointments that were made in the past, in all the decisions that were taken as per the reservation policy, and hence they are completely legally binding on the government. And hence the question of us going back and looking at it and cancelling or making adjustments does not arise. So therefore, these were done and appointed based on the reservation policy. And now after the information and data has been plotted, we are now in a position in some of the departments to understand how we're going to move forward. In the meantime, our members from different political parties have requested that till this committee, which will give us a report.